Imagine replacing your full-time income with just $250 a day. It sounds crazy, right? But it's totally doable, and I will show you how. With a few small digital products that practically print money while you sleep. Oh, and while you're at it, be sure to snag my free 25 product ideas. It's a cheat sheet down in the description below. Because I know you're not just here to learn, you're here to win. Welcome. Let's talk about a few small product ideas. Sometimes big thinking is overrated when you're just starting out. You don't need a massive audience or a massive budget to make $250 a day online. In fact, the simpler the strategy, the faster you'll see results. Again, just a reminder to grab my free 25 digital product idea cheat sheet in the description below. It's packed with genius ideas to get you rolling. Now let's break things down. The magic of $250 a day. It might not sound life-changing, but trust me, it adds up fast. That's $7,500 a month or $90,000 a year. And guess what? You don't need to sell your soul or to give up your weekends to make this happen. It's all about creating small, high-impact digital products that people love. Step 1. Think small to go big. Most people mess up because they dream big from the start without any direction. It's like saying, I want to swim across the Pacific, but you can't even doggy paddle across the kiddie pool. Start small. And here's why. Small thinking leads to massive wins. Here's the deal. You don't need millions of followers or some Shark Tank level invention. A small audience and a digital product that solves a specific problem will get you further faster. Seth Godin's concept of the minimum viable audience flipped my mindset. You don't need the whole world to succeed. You just need a small focus group of people who love what you do. Let's say if just 500 people buy a $200 product from you once a year, that's $100,000 in a year. Or better yet, find 200 people to pay you $125 a month. And then you'll be pulling in $300,000 a year. Oh, and don't overthink what to sell. Books, courses, memberships, and that's it. These 3 digital product types are golden. If you need ideas, just remember my 25 digital product freebie is literally bursting with them to give you some ideas. There's plenty of ideas to start with. And did I mention it's free? Because it is. Go get it in the description. Step 2. Focus like a laser beam. Here's a fun fact. Most people fail online because they're scatterbrained. And believe me, I was too. They try to sell 10 things to 20 places at once. And their audience is like, what are we even buying here? So here's the golden rule. 1 product, 1 funnel, 1 focus. Imagine this. You're at a carnival. There's 1 food stand selling funnel cakes, hot dogs, and cotton candy. All at the same booth. Total chaos, right? You don't even know what to order. But the stand next to it has 1 sign and says, best funnel cakes in town. Guess which one gets the biggest line? You guessed it. It's the funnel cake stand with the 1 offer. Step 3, repurpose like a boss. I'm going to share the cheat code to digital products. You can repackage the same info into different formats. For example, turn an ebook into a course. Then, turn that course into a membership. Same info, different delivery, more revenue, and same similar products. It's kind of like pizza. One day it's fresh and hot, the next day it's leftovers. And by the 3rd day, it's cold pizza bites. But it's still pizza, isn't it? And people still eat it. Same flavor, new format. That's the power of repurposing. So here's the game plan. 1, start small. 2, focus like a laser beam. And 3, repurpose like a pizza chef. And don't forget, if you're looking for a shortcut to $250 a day, go ahead and go to the description. Start with my free guide for the 25 digital product ideas. Don't forget, it is free and it's packed with golden ideas. And it'll save you hours of guesswork. Make sure you click the link, grab it, and you may thank me later. Because $250 a day isn't just a number. It's your ticket to freedom. Let's make it happen. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you're going to start out with. See you next time in the next video.